The year 2020 has introduced a lot of rare species to the world. After yellow turtle and Indian ocean roach, an extremely rare bird was captured by researchers in Pennsylvania, one that's got both male and female feather coloring. Rose-breasted grosbeaks are sexually dimorphic, meaning males and females have different color plumage. While male grosbeaks have black wing feathers, pink wing pits and breast spots which give the bird its name, females have brown wings, yellow wing pits and no patches on their chests. However, biologists at Powder Mill Nature Reserve recently found a grosbeak that was split in the middle. It was pink on the right side and yellow on the left. The bird is both male and female, with one testis and other male characteristics on one half of its body and an ovary and other female characteristics on the other. This occurs when two sperms fertilize an egg that has two nuclei instead of one. This results in the egg developing a chromosome from each sex. The condition is called bilateral gynandromorphism. The bird was taken to the lab where its measurements were taken and few of its feathers were plucked for DNA testing, after which it was released.